Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. Yes, you've seen the thumbnail. Yes, it is true. 52 pages of freebies. What? February 12th to the 29th, the All Things Roses journal pages, ta-da, are free. That's February 12th to the 29th of 2024. They are free. Then they'll go into the Junk Journal Studio's Etsy shop for sale. The link to the shop is down below. They coordinate beautifully with the All Things Roses digital that I just uploaded in my shop yesterday. This kit is 39 pages. Now, this kit, although it's coming out right around Valentine's Day and it's got lots of roses and such, it's not Valentine's-y at all. Obviously, it can go really well in a Valentine's kit. However, this is just a lot of really beautiful rose fussy cuts, lots of labels, postcards, ephemeras, tickets. There's stamps and words and phrases and pockets and just all kinds of really beautiful bits and bobs for your journal making and your ephemera making. So you can find the flip through and the link to that in the description box below. And yeah, so 52 pages of freebies. Okay, so our first set of paper are the wild roses in a pink, really beautiful background. Lots of distressing and grunging up and layering and stuff. So we have that page. Then we have this one, which is just a much smaller print. Pretty pink polka dot page. I absolutely love this one. It's a really beautiful rose lace over the pink background. And then a really pretty yellow damask, and you'll see yellow throughout all of the pages and some pages that are yellow roses. So that's the first set. Second set, still in the pink wild roses. So we have a collage page here with some focal points on them. So pretty. Yeah, I just absolutely love it. And then we have the same page, but basically without the focal points. So you can use this and cut it into journal cards or bookmarks or belly bands or whatever, however you want to use it. So we have that one. Then we have this really beautiful lace, floral lace with the pink in the background. And then some pink roses here. And we've got some green and kind of a turquoisey color. And then a really beautiful pink damask. And then a turquoise background with some wild roses in pink. Then we have the same pink wild roses, and we have the turquoise background. Beautiful turquoise damask. Love these pages here. They're embossed. Super pretty. So we have the turquoise and the pink. And then we have this page here, which I really love a lot. Yeah, and when I group them together in their colors, whoops, you'll see they just coordinate so beautifully together. So lots of possibilities with these. Now we're moving into the coral. So we have the wild roses and a coral. And the smaller print. Beautiful coral lace page. Oops, sorry if I was off screen there a little bit. Some script in the background. And then we have that turquoise background with the coral wild roses. And then another polka dot page in the coral. Then the next set, coral wild roses, another collage page with focal points. Oops, I think I've got two sets here. Yeah, I do. And then without the focal point. So again, you can use these to make journal cards, tags, ephemera, however you'd like to use them. Even just as a beautiful journal page. It's just gorgeous. So we have that one. And then we have those roses again, but in the coral color. And the embossed page in coral. And then this really beautiful wallpaper in a coral. And then the coral wild roses with the turquoise background and polka dots. And then this super fun page, which would be great as a journal page, but also you could use them as tear strips or just cut out sections and use them for the backing for your tags or what have you. So lots of possibilities there. And it incorporates, there's your coral wild roses, there's your pink, coral, pink, and then you have your corals there and your pinks and your turquoise and stuff. So it kind of brings them all together onto one page. And then we have that beautiful lace page in the turquoise. And then just a pink striped background. And then a damask in the coral. And then we have more coral. This is a fabric, actually, fabric pattern with the beautiful coral roses. Super pretty. And there it is in the smaller print. Oops. Okay, I'm having issues. And then just a plain coral background, which is really nice for backing. They're just breaking up patterned pages. And there it is in the pink. And I tried to keep them fairly light, not too saturated. And the turquoise. So that was the pink sets and the coral sets. Next we move into the yellows. So we have this beautiful set, the yellow roses and the music in behind. Oops, I think I might be upside down here. Yeah, I am. Am I? No. Okay, yeah, just the way I showed you. And there it is in the smaller pattern with some script in behind. And there it is bringing all the colors together again. So we have the turquoisey blues and then the yellows and the yellow roses. And there's that wallpaper in the yellow and the rose pattern in the yellow and the lace pattern in the yellow. More yellow. And polka dot yellow. And there's that beautiful rose lace again with the turquoise in the background. And there's that wallpaper with the turquoise and the stripe with the turquoise. And then we have this really beautiful set. And it's got the coral and the yellow sort of roses. You can see it in the background here. There's that fabric that I showed you, the coral fabric. And some script here. And we have the pink wallpaper like the other ones. There's the coral and the yellow. And the turquoise, there it is in the pink, and there's that beautiful lace page, the pink. And there's that same page again, but with the yellow damask in the background, super pretty. And there's that page in the yellow. So that is all 52 pages of the freebies. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sort of group them together in their like colors, and then I'll pop back and show you. Okay, so our first set here I have are the coral. There's far too many of them to get in on screen, so I'm just going to sort of come by with them, but I just want you to see just how absolutely beautifully they all work together. Really pretty. And then this last page here has the coral turquoise pink. It has a bunch of the colors of the entire thing. This one right here. So yeah, that's the coral. Super pretty. Next is pink. So here is our pinks. Oops. I'll just kind of move them across the screen so you can get an up-close look at them all. So yeah, really pretty. Beautiful. Oops. Although this isn't a set with the yellow, it is lots of the yellowy kind of coral colors and stuff. So this could go with either of the first two color schemes that I showed you. There's the next color scheme. So we have, again, some of that yellow and coral and stuff there, but then with the yellow damask, and then we have lots of yellow roses with the music. Super pretty. And then there's this page here, which kind of brings the yellow and the turquoise together. And we'll show the turquoise next. Here is our turquoise. Some of it's a little bit more blue, some of it's a bit more turquoise. It'll also depend on your printer settings and how it prints out as well, but I'm calling it turquoise. So yeah, very, very pretty. So there we go. That is all 52 pages of the All Things Journal pages that are free from February 12th to the 29th. We will be all sharing our link in the description box of one of our videos in which we do the flip through and the share of our freebie. At different times during that window of February 12th to the 29th. So if you love the Junk Journal Studios digitals, be sure to hop on over, subscribe to all these channels, including the Junk Journal Studio, and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss the video in which they share the link to their freebie. Look for the hashtag All Things Roses in the title of the video. That'll help you find it a little sooner. And then, like I said, it'll be found in the description box of that video. And I think most, probably all of us are working on design team projects using the digital at least once, sometimes more. Some of us are making entire journals with them. So you don't want to miss that. Lots of inspiration using the studio's digitals. And don't forget to check out the All Things Roses. 25% off right now. Link to all of the design team members, this kit, as found below. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys like it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.